let's solve this problem together. We have 25 to the power of x minus 15 to the power of x to be equal to 9 to the power of x. So let's begin by dividing through by 9 to the power of x to have 25 to the power of x over 9 to the power of x minus 15 to the power of x over 9 to the power of x is equal to 9 to the power of x over 9 to the power of x. Now from law of indices, when I have a to the power of b over c to the power of b, this is the same as a over c all to the power of b. We have 25 over 9 all to the power of x minus 15 over 9 all to the power of x is equal to 1. So these cancel out, we have 1. But our 25 is equal to 5 to the power of 2, and 9 is equal to 3 to the power of 2. We have 5 squared over 3 to the power of 2 further raised to the power of x minus, when we divide through by 3, 15 divided by 3, we have and this is equal to 1. So I have 15 divided by 3 to be equal to 5, and 9 divided by 3 to be equal to 3. So this gives us 5 over 3 all to the power of 2 further raised to the power of x minus 5 over 3 all to the power of x is equal to 1. So when we have a to the power of m further raised to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of n further raised to the power of n, and is also equal to a to the power of m times n. We're interchanging these powers to have 5 over 3 all to the power of x further raised to the power of 2 minus 5 over 3 all to the power of x is equal to 1. So let's make our 5 over 3 all to the power of x to be equal to a. So this expression becomes a to the power of 2 minus, we have a is equal to 1. We have a squared minus a minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have a quadratic equation, and resolving this, our a is equal to 1, our b is equal to minus 1, and our c is equal to minus 1. So a is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. We'll be imputing the values of a, b, c into this expression. So we have a to be equal to negative times negative, we have 1 plus or minus 1 to the power of 2, we have 1 plus 4 all over 2. So our a is equal to 1 plus or minus root 5 over 2. In the positive values, we have a to be equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2, and we have a to be equal to 1 minus root 5 over 2. Now let's recall that our 5 over 3 all to the power of x is equal to a. So when we use the positive value, we're having 5 over 3 all to the power of x is equal to the value of a, which is 1 plus root 5 all over 2. Since we are looking for the value of x, let's take the log of both sides to have log of 5 over 3 all to the power of x is equal to log of 1 plus root 5 over 2. When we have log of a to the power of c. This is equal to c times log of a. So we'll be having x times log of 5 over 3 to be equal to log of 1 plus root 5 over 2. Now we divide through by the coefficient of x. We have x to be equal to log of 1 plus root 5 over 2 all over log of 5 over 3. When we have log of a over log of b, this is equal to log to base b of a. Our x is equal to log to base 5 over 3 of 1 plus root 5 over 2. So this is the value of a. And if we are to punch our calculator, we have x to be equal to 0.942. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.